Good morning. How are you all?
You can point them at me too. I can help.
We are at Wright State University Nutter Center.
2 pumpkins.
And we are hosting our annual Greene County Mass Food Distribution in partnership with CareSource, Premier Health, and of course the wonderful folks at Wright State University.
We're able to help a lot of families as they come through here, and Wright State's all about giving. So for us, it's just another opportunity to give in a different way.
Careful there, okay? We've got over 120 volunteers to execute this mass distribution. The line's already flowing. We started early and things are going great.
One coming up.
Here on site today, we do have pumpkins. We're heading into Halloween, so we try to provide something fun. We have chicken, we have some beans, we have some mixed produce boxes that include onions, they include peppers, they include zucchini and other variety of products.
Good morning. How you doing?
President Sue, she's fantastic. I think she's doing heads of cabbage, but it's great to see the support from the university, especially when we're out here.
How are you?
Try to drum up more support from the university to, allow us to have this on site is one thing, but to be able to provide some extra hands and volunteers that want to get involved really means a lot as well.
I thank everybody that's volunteering because you don't have to do this.
Hello. Today I am doing pistachios and lentils. Just sharing, a lot of good mornings and just, kind of building everyone up.
We are sitting at approximately 375 families.
So it's challenging to plan. So we plan for 2,000, we bring as much food as possible, we get it to the hands of folks who might need it, and then if folks can't come see us today, we ask them to visit one of our partner agency food pantries.
Just to have that opportunity to help the public out and help somebody else out.
Okay, rate her up.
To be able to do that for them is a great feeling.
Right here. Thank you.